Welcome to this episode of the Biologista. Today, we're going to explore some latest news in the field of life sciences. World's oldest DNA found in Greenland. The country that mesmerizes many tourists across the globe has now mesmerized the scientists too. Okay, these kind of things happen all the time. What is so great about it? The age of the DNA that was found was 2 million years old. Do you have an estimate as to how old 2 million years are? It's like 20,000 centuries ago or 200,000 decades. Now that's insane. This discovery has raised more questions than it answers. Was life even there in Greenland back then? Can the DNA survive for these many years? How did scientists find the DNA in such conditions? Greenland, the Arctic desert, is known for its glaciers and immense tundra. Situated very close to the North Pole, the place is freezing cold. In a study led by Professor S.K. Willerslev, the discovery of 2 million year old DNA is a breakthrough in the field of life science as it reveals some unbelievable facts about the earlier ecosystem of Greenland. While no biological remains were found on the land, the DNA was found bound in the sediments of Peary Island in the northern Greenland. One of the primary questions here is how all that DNA found its place in all that dirt. See, the thing is, we don't realize, but we leave our DNA everywhere. We shed it through our skin cells, hair, saliva, urine, feces, blood, exhaled air, etc. This DNA ultimately becomes part of the environment, now referred to as eDNA, which later degenerates due to microbial enzymes, mechanical shearing, or various chemical reactions with minerals. However, the chemical composition of Greenlandic sediments contain minerals that bound to the DNA, rendering it unrecognizable to enzymes and other chemicals that would typically degrade it. Additionally, the freezing temperatures of the Arctic region further contributed to the exceptional preservation of the ancient genetic material. The duration for which DNA can survive in such sediments remains uncertain, opening up the possibility of discovering even older DNA elsewhere. What secrets did the DNA uncover after all? The revelation is nothing short of extraordinary. In the land that has always been known to humankind as the polar desert and greatest tundra, the ancient DNA exposes a bygone world teeming with life. Over 100 genera of plants that ideally belong to the boreal forests today or are extinct were identified. In the land of polar bears, reindeer, and Arctic foxes, the DNA claims the presence of animals like mastodons, horseshoe crabs, and hares and lemmings, challenging our perceptions of Greenland's historical ecology. The existence of Arctic and temperate species within proximity defies conventional expectations. In fact, here is a portrait of how the founding team imagined the Greenland looked like back then. The study mentions that climatic conditions of the 2 million year old era were found to be 11 to 12 degrees warmer than today. This revelation forces us to reassess our perspective on climate change. Can you imagine what that means? While we worry about global warming and its potential impact, the ancient DNA would have the answers. It will provide insights into how life coped with similar temperature shifts in the past and what challenges to expect. This ancient ecosystem is a testament to adaptation and evolution, with temperate species thriving in almost 6 months of darkness so close to the North Pole. At the same time, the Arctic species that live in much colder environments now show remarkable adaptation strategies. It is amusing what life is capable of. Let's take a bow, my friends. This could not have been an easy mission. The lead scientist mentioned that they had commenced this research in 2006 and the findings were published by the end of 2022. I have mentioned the paper link in the description, so go on and enjoy all the science behind this discovery. I'm gonna take off now, but don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you love science. Share this video with your friends to amaze them about this discovery. See you!